In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. We'll give you step-by-step instructions on how to make money through an affiliate program. This video will also give you an overview of the different types of affiliate websites and to learn about affiliate marketing for beginners. Before we continue, if you enjoyed watching the video, please share your thoughts by clicking a like button and writing them in the comments section below. If you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, you will be among the first people to find out when new videos are published on the channel. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make passive income. The merchant/business creates, prices, and distributes the product. The affiliate markets it and gets customers to buy from the merchant. Affiliates can promote products they like. Affiliate marketing is a term used by many online retailers to promote their products and services. Every time someone buys from a site using an affiliate link, the company earns a small commission. Merchants can identify who made the referral through tracking cookies. When a customer completes the checkout process, the merchant looks for the affiliate cookie attached to the transaction so that they know who to credit. You don't need upfront payment. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to pay for manufacturing, shipping, customer service, or even most of the marketing. Compared to starting up a business, there's virtually no overhead cost with affiliate marketing. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a small amount of money. You make your own schedule. The Affiliate Lab is a self-paced online course that allows you to learn affiliate marketing on your own time. You can do 4-hour work weeks or take a random vacation to learn more about the business. Affiliate marketing is so flexible that you can even keep your day job as a side hustle. You can make money even when you're not working. You don't have to put in your 8 hours or finish a project. You basically make money while you sleep. One of the best parts of becoming an affiliate marketer is that you can make money without doing anything. Even a single article that does well with search engines can make you money for years. You can scale up easily. Due to the low overhead costs, you can expand your affiliate marketing business as much as you want without having to rent additional office space or hire more employees. There are no limitations. You do not need to be a professional. You don't need extensive marketing training or even a degree to be a successful affiliate. You learn affiliate marketing as you go, testing out different techniques to see which ones work best. Some of the best affiliate marketers have had no prior experience and are learning from the ground up. You don't earn up front. There's no guarantee that you learn anything, especially if you don't put in the work. We also earn money when someone clicks on one of our links and buys something from our website. You are not completely in charge. You are marketing the products, but your efforts are limited. Ultimately, the merchant is accountable for converting the customer and delivering an excellent product. You have no control over this, but you can mitigate the risk by being more selective about the businesses and products you promote. You must invest time and money to make it work. If you want to earn 5 or even 6 figures a month, you need to invest both time and money into building your website. Affiliate marketing only works as hard as you do. This means that you can't spend 5 minutes a week on it and expect great results. You are up against a lot of competition. The low barrier to entry is great for you, but it means there are thousands of other aspiring affiliate marketers out there competing for your attention. You have to stand out and be smart if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing. There's a limited pool of customers, so you have to be very good at what you do. You need to be patient and motivated. Affiliate program income isn't instant. Profitability usually takes months. This job requires discipline and determination. Building an affiliate site is one of the easiest ways to promote your products online. There are lots of different kinds of sites that you can use to promote products, so it's important to pick the right one for you. Building a website doesn't require much capital or web design experience. You can easily create one with a few basic tools. Reviews. Making a review website is one of the easiest ways to add affiliate links to your content. Review sites help people decide what to buy by letting them compare products and services. There are 2 kinds of review sites, general and niche. You should publish high-quality, in-depth content that people will find useful. Coupon sites. Coupon websites attract a lot of users, plus, it's a win-win model. The customer gets a discount, and you get a commission. One of the most popular coupon sites in the UK is Voucher Codes. It has discount coupons for more than 2,000 retailers, restaurants, and more. Instructional websites. Affiliate marketing works best when it has great content. And nothing is more helpful than a website that tells you how to do something. You can easily slip in affiliate links to products and services that could help people do those things. Using the examples from above, you could link to a kitchen appliance or an affiliate marketing course. Price comparisons. Because they can easily compare the prices of 2 or more products at a glance, people prefer price comparison websites. Consider it to be similar to a review site where the only focus is on the product's price. Free tools and resources. Many people can produce an excellent video, but few can create a useful website. Sites that provide free tools, for example credit card debt calculators, generate a lot of traffic and income. The more value you provide to your readers, the more effective your affiliate marketing will be. Blogs. Bloggers make money by recommending their favorite products to their readers. Many times, niche bloggers with a sizable following in their community run affiliate businesses. The lowest entry barrier is a blog, where you can write about anything and smuggle in the occasional affiliate link. What started out as a personal journal of her quest for financial independence has evolved into a lucrative educational finance blog. Select your niche. Selecting a pertinent niche can increase your chances of conversion and financial success. It need not be your area of expertise, but it should be something you find fascinating or are passionate about. Although affiliate products cover a wide range of markets, they can be divided into 3 groups: tangible, informational, or services. Plan out your strategy. A good marketing plan will keep you from wasting time and money and help you get the most out of your passive income. You can't just do this sort of thing halfway. You have to set aside time every day to learn about affiliate marketing. Do you work full-time or do you have another job on the side? Build a website. Your website generates revenue, so don't be afraid to invest in its improvement. However, this does not necessarily imply that you must spend thousands of dollars on a professional website design. You can create a website on your own without spending much money. Research your products. You might have a list of products you want to sell, but are they worth the work? Google Trends is a great way to find out how popular something is. By looking at this data, you can figure out which products are popular and which ones aren't worth your time. Increase your affiliate links visibility. You've chosen your niche and products, but what do you do with that? Marketing your content is essential if you want to drive traffic and increase your profits. Social media sites all offer ways to reach your audience, and you can also tap influencers to promote your content. As the saying goes, sometimes you must spend money to make money. Affiliate marketers are independent contractors who have negotiated specific terms with the retailer. Merchants and marketing affiliates communicate with one another through affiliate networks. The commission rates, which are frequently lower than affiliate programs, are ultimately decided by them. You have access to their entire merchant network, giving you a wider selection of goods and more chances to boost your income. Why does not everyone succeed in affiliate marketing? Not everyone is cut out to be an affiliate marketer. You have to be willing to put in the time and learn affiliate marketing strategies. You need to have the patience to stick with it, even if you are months away from your goal. If you get into this with the expectation that you will become a millionaire overnight, you will most likely fail.